What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a collection on Google. This is very useful when you're saving all of your news feed or anything that you want to save with Google. So you want to go ahead and open up your Google apps, click on Google, then click on saved, and here you'll find collections. Now I can simply tap on create and I can give a title. So let's say I call this one Barcelona or Barca. Let's put it like that. And here, let me go ahead and click down. I can add a description. So I can simply type FC Barca as an example, right? And then from here, all I have to do is just simply click on done. Now, once I do that, I can start adding my items there, or I don't even have to do that, right? I can come back a bit later and add something to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to home. And from here, let's say I want to add something related to Barcelona. Let's say this news. I can click the three dots here, and then I can click on save, and then it will be saved to Barca. As you can see, it is saved there. And that's it, guys. When I'm ready, I can go back to saved, and here I'll be able to refresh, and I can see that I add something within that. And that's how easy it is, guys. Very easy and very simple.